Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Acura TLX battery. First, prioritize your safety by wearing protective eyewear and gloves. Next, ensure you have the right tools, primarily a 10mm wrench or socket and a terminal cleaning brush. A memory saver is also highly recommended to prevent losing your vehicle's electronic settings during the swap. This preparation ensures a smooth and safe battery replacement process. Now, let's get to disconnecting the old battery. Pop your hood and remove any plastic cover over the battery. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen and remove the negative battery cable first. Always disconnect the negative terminal before the positive to prevent electrical shorts. Once the negative is off, proceed to disconnect the positive cable. Finally, loosen and remove the battery hold-down bracket, which typically uses 10mm bolts. With the old battery disconnected, carefully lift it out of the tray. Remember, batteries are quite heavy. Now, place your new, fully charged battery into the tray, ensuring it's the correct group size for your Acura TLX. Reinstall the battery hold-down bracket and tighten it securely to prevent movement. Next, connect the positive battery cable to the positive terminal, followed by the negative cable to the negative terminal. Make sure both connections are snug. For the final steps, double-check that all your connections are tight and secure to prevent any issues. It's also good practice to clean the battery terminals and cable clamps to ensure optimal conductivity and prevent corrosion. This helps extend the life of your new battery. Before you go, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.